Hello everyone. Today let's take a look at some unexpected dramatic moments and strange cars. This small car cut in front of a large truck. The car sped like a small boat on the water and then sank. This is not the place for him to perform. He has chosen his target. It's a red light, but he acts like it's his own backyard. He wasn't paying attention while crossing the road.
Kurwa!
The car doesn't use self-driving technology, but it can still drive itself with a water bottle. How could he possibly do something like that? Wow, he has designed a beautiful car for himself.
Whoa. So close. Right. And there's so much trash talking. And I don't mean the players, I mean but the fans.
After causing the accident, he left the car behind and ran to escape responsibility. The pipe moved out of its position and fell onto the road, causing his car to hit it and lose control. The police chased with a traffic violator. I can't imagine what he has done.
With that better what? Oh!
Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next videos.